So now that we know how to plot ordered pairs, let's find some ordered pairs that solve an equation, and then we plot those ordered pairs to create the graph of the equation. We have a pretty easy example. 2x minus 3y is 12. We're looking for pairs x, y that solve that equation. So x would be here, y would be there. A lot of times one of the easy pairs that you can find is you just set either x or y equal to 0. So if we pick 0 for x, say, then 2x minus 3y is supposed to be 12. The 2x is 0. Minus 3y is supposed to be 12. We know 3 times 4 is 12, but that's minus 3 times y. So minus 3 times minus 4 would be 12 as well. Minus 3 times 4 would be minus 12. So we need minus 4 here to make that ordered pair solve the equation. We'd also try setting y equal to 0. Now that minus 3y is 0, so we just get 2x is 12. We know 2 times 6 is 12, so 6 comma 0 gives you another ordered pair. And we could just get a little creative. Just probably try a number for x. Something fun, like 1. Then we actually have to solve an equation. So we put 1 in for x. 2 times 1, well, it's minus 3y is 12. So that's 2 minus 3y is 12. That's minus 3y is 10. So y is minus 10 thirds, dividing by minus 3. So fractions do come up here. That would be just picking a number for x. So we could also pick a number for y and see what happens. Maybe I could pick something better, but I'm not trying. Let's see, let's try y equal to 2. What the heck? Then we'll put that in. So we get 2x minus 3 times 2 is 12. That's 2x minus 6 is 12. That's 2x, adding 6 to both sides is 18. That's x is 9. So we got 9. 9, comma 2, and 1, minus 10 thirds are ordered pairs, in addition to 0, minus 4, and 6, 0, that solve the equation. If we were to plot those on a coordinate system, we'd see that they all line up in a straight line. And this is actually something that's called the linear equation. Oh, that's my next thing, okay. So linear equations. We have to be able to recognize an equation as being linear. An equation is a linear equation that can be written ax plus by equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. And for the variables that to show up, either a or b, they can't both be 0. Okay. That particular way of writing a linear equation is referred to as standard form. We will see lots of forms of linear equations as we move through. We said the points whose coordinates solve the equation will form a straight line. The set of points, all points that solve the equation, is called the graph of the line. Write that here. The set of all points whose coordinates solve the equation called the graph. Of the line. So ordinarily, with any old equation, the set of all points whose coordinates solve the equation is called the graph of the equation. Since we know this particular kind of equation produces lines, then the graph is going to be the graph of a line. Can't wait to make one. I think we're in business. Let's move on to the more exciting stuff.